Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show how to make a video QR code. QR codes are a convenient way to share links, and creating one for your YouTube video is a great way to engage your audience. I can explain it in very simple way. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need is the URL of your YouTube video. You can find this by going to your video on YouTube and copying the link from the address bar. Now, head over to your preferred QR code generator website. There are plenty of free options available online, but for this tutorial, I'll be using qrcodegenerator.com. Once you're on the website, you'll see a text box where you can paste your YouTube video URL. After pasting the URL, the website will automatically generate a QR code for your YouTube video. You can customize the design of the QR code by choosing different shapes, colors, and even adding a logo if you want. Once you're happy with the design, you can download the QR code to your computer. Simply save it. Then the other option is capture screenshot to this area. Simply press Window, Shift plus S. Now you can send. I can send my friend through WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for video. It's a simple and effective way to share your content with your audience. You can customize the design of the QR code by choosing different shapes, colors, and even adding a logo if you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy QR coding. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.